Hi guys, this is Nitisha. I'm a model and an actor from Nepal. My favorite actor has always been Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, of course, and I loved watching their movies.
Okay, Niti, first of all, welcome to India.
Thank you.
So, what do you want to say about India and how you feeling? And you have arrived yesterday only, and
Yeah.
how much you're enjoying in India?
It's not my first time in India because we share the same border. It's our neighboring country. As I grew up watching Bollywood movies, and India has always been our place to, uh, India has always been a place to travel for shopping. And I've been to India many times, but this is my fourth time in Mumbai, and I absolutely love the place, love the food, and yeah, I love the vibe. It's so energetic and it's so fast, I like it that way. And also this place actually teaches you to hustle, and the outcome is really good, we all know that. But as soon as I entered Bombay, the last time I was here a month back, there was this, I can't even explain you, there was this feeling of this is the place that like it really motivated me. So yeah, I love this place.
And you are here for the reason like your song
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
released already. Tell us about the song. How was the song, and how was your experience working on this song?
So, like I said, when I came to Bombay a month back, I just came here for my personal work, and I happened to meet Rajesh sir, and he approached me for this song, and I found the content it was a beautiful theme, like to promote Indo-Nepal culture, and the values we share, and everything about the music video was so nice that I instantly said, okay, I'm gonna do it. But I didn't know him personally, and they came over to Nepal, and we had such a great time shooting. It was not so long shoot, but then we finished it like within a week, and I had such a nice time with Roshmi and Rajiv, and then Prince is also from Nepal. So we had a great time. The team was amazing. I also got to learn a lot from Rajiv Pillai because he's already a well-established actor in South. So as I was like a curious child because I'm also aspiring to become an actor. So I kept on asking like, how do you do this? How do you do that? So it was so much fun, and I got to learn a lot from the team as a whole.
And how much you know Bollywood, and are you a fan of Bollywood, or
Of
anything
course,
you like
who
to say about
isn't? Who
Bollywood?
isn't fan of Bollywood? I grew up watching Bollywood movies, and we in Nepal we all love Bollywood movies as much as we love our Nepali movies. And my favorite actor has always been Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, of course. And I loved watching their movies. And so, like we do understand Hindi. I might not be able to speak in the same tone as you, but we do. I mean, I do understand Hindi, and we've been really influenced by Bollywood movies and their lifestyle. Yes.
So Indian people also love Nepali. So
Yeah.
anything you would like to say to the Indian fans in Nepali language, like for the Indian audience?
In Nepali
Yeah.
language. एकदम धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद हामीले गरेको यो म्युजिक भिडियो जुन नेपाल र इन्डियाको रिलेसनसिपलाई प्रमोट गर्छ, प्लिज हेरिदिनु होला, एन्ड धेरै धेरै माया गरिदिनुहोस् हामीहरूलाई हाम्रो म्युजिक भिडियोलाई, विच मिन्स प्लिज वाच एन्ड लाइक आवर म्युजिक भिडियो द चेहरा, and keep supporting and loving us. So there's this director who's Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Yeah, I love his movie, his direction, everything about his movie. It's so classy, it's so pure. So I would love to work for him if given a chance. And yeah, Bollywood. I mean, there's thousands of people who want to get into Bollywood, and if I happen to get a chance or an opportunity, why not? I'll be open to it. Yeah.
Also, I was getting so many messages on Instagram that ask Niti that how you are so fit and what do you do for your fitness. So
See, I'm a food lover. I am a big time foodie. I eat, but I also make sure I work out. I have a set of routine that I follow, and I'm very disciplined about it. So every morning I work out, but if I'm busy, if I've got early morning shoot, then I make sure I do either stretching or I work out in the evening. So that's my fitness mantra goal.
and how much you are traveling lover, like travel
I
lover.
love traveling because of the COVID. I think after 2 years, I traveled to India outside Nepal, but inside Nepal, I keep traveling for work and other projects.
And any upcoming project after this, if you would like to share with us?
There are many projects lined up in my home country, but in India, I'd be more than happy and grateful if I get more projects and get international recognition for sure. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Any message for your fans?
Nepal, I love you so much. I think I am here because of my people there back in my home. Thank you so much for your support, for your love, and keep them coming. And I hope I will make Nepal my country proud someday. Thank you.
Thank you so much.